Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this water tank. It's got two emission heaters, boost and off peak. Basically what's happening is when they switch the demand for the hot water, it trips the consumer unit. So they've asked me to have a look at it, and obviously there's only one electrical part on it, which is the emission heaters. So we decided to change both of the emission heaters on this dessert shop in Sutton Coldfield. Guys, this video was sponsored by Easy Estate, your local letting agent in Birmingham. As introductory offer, we offer all our landlords free boiler repair cover and a free gas safety certificate. So if you're interested, give us a call now. Right, the first thing I'm going to do is drain the system down. Now thankfully there's a drain cock right next to it, and the best thing is there's a sink right underneath the water tank. And the water was draining out rapidly, so that made my life easier because it's not gonna take too long for the system to drain down. Right guys, the tank was only about 2 meters high, but just to let you know, I'm not comfortable with heights, and even though it was only about 2 meters high, my leg was still shaking. But anyway, before I disconnect the live neutral wire, I wanted to check with my contactless. It did give me a bleep of high voltage, so I had my multimeter with it, did a double check on it, and it was all fine. So now I'm going to disconnect the wiring on it and just take the immersions out and hopefully put the new ones in, and it'll all be good after that. Now guys, if you got a broken down boiler, Birmingham or South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, we repair all your favorite boilers from Baxi, Biasi, wocesterbosch, vaillant and many more. We also do landlord gas safety certificates and boiler servicing. We repair Gledhill boilers to water heaters too, electric water heaters, tank systems. So if yours is broken down, don't get it changed, get it repaired. So call us today. Right guys, I've changed the machines. The power is connected. I've also switched the power on, and it's not tripping the electrics anymore. Basically, I presume they're working. Them new machines, I'm hoping, and I presume they're working fine. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. Okay. I would like to say thank you to Dolce Dessert Shop for working with us. It's based on the Lanes Shopping Centre on Birmingham Road, just between Sutton Coldfield and Erdington. So if you guys passing by and they got amazing desserts there, just try them out. Come down guys, try that.